Hello, so this is a demonstration video for my terminal calculator program. So to start out, just a quick overview of, I guess, why I built this project and what I used to build this project. So with this project, I programmed it in a language called Dart, and it's not a very common language. It's mainly used with an application called Flutter. But here with this calculator, all I was doing is I was running Dart to the terminal, and getting input from the user through the terminal, all that stuff, and just having it do a calculator program. And what makes this calculator program a little bit different than other languages is I tried making it where I was trying to mimic just like an actual calculator, like how it would work if you're like typing it on a computer, or if you had a handheld one. So instead of just having, you have like this value plus this value, and you can input like the whole value at once. Here I make it where like you have to punch in almost like one key at a time, and then it'll register it, kind of like a normal calculator would. But besides that, I'll head over to Visual Studio Code, and this is the code editor that I used. It's an editor by Microsoft. I just like it, really easy to use. Anyway, so let's start the program here. So I'll come up with the current screen. Current screen is obviously 0 because we have nothing on there. So we can do a simple addition. So here you will notice that at least for testing purposes and just showing it, that it shows two lists that I store things. So the first one is a list of strings where as the user types something in, it will keep track of the keystrokes that go in. Like 5, 6, 2. And then if I do some sort of symbol like a plus or a minus or whatever, then it will add it. Like it'll go through, concatenate the string, and put it into the integer list, and it'll hold that value. So now, so let's say, okay, so we have val in here. So let's say we want to like minus 2 from it. Let's make it a nice even number. So minus, so notice how it still has it, 2 equals, and then minuses it like that. So there I was trying to mimic the logic of, okay, what if you still have this current value and you want to keep, adding to it or just like changing it with other calculations, and you can do that. But what if I want to, just like start over completely? Well, that's simple. I can just do clear and it'll reset it, and then I can just go back to like 5 plus 5 equals 10. So now, another distinct feature of a calculator that you might see online is, yes, it's showing a value of like 10. But what if you want to start a new calculation, but you don't hit the clear button, you just start typing? Well, I accounted for that feature, so I can do like 4 times. So notice here in the string list I have a 4, but in my int list I have 10. So what it should do is it needs to remove the 10. And it does. It removes it, and then you can just start playing around with this, just like before with like other calculations, like divide there, and it still works. And then if you're done with the program or you want to turn it off, at least here in the terminal, you can click done, and it'll end the program. But that is a demonstration of my calculator program. Hope you enjoyed.